one of the other things that sometimes people do, especially on, now this is a truck tire repair, but we also see it on passenger car tire repairs, on smaller repairs, where there'll be repair misalignment. So the bead arrows actually always point to the bead. So on this radial tire with this radial repair, the repair should be in this alignment. So it can be anywhere pretty much on this horizontal line. Sometimes you'll see a repair oriented this way. That's incorrect. It should always be like this if it's a radial repair on a radial tire.